Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin, WEMIX, currently trading above $0.36. How high can WEMIX go in 2023? What's a realistic price expectation for this altcoin in 2023? We have seen WEMIX lose more than 57% of its value in the last 1 month of 2022. Throughout 2022, WEMIX lost more than 94.9% of its value. We saw it go from an all-time high of $24.2 by November 2021. We saw it drop into as low as $0.13 before the end of 2022. It lost more than 99.43% of its value from the all-time high we set in 2021. Are we going to continue dumping to Goblin Town, setting new all-time lows in 2023? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the WEMIX US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll be looking at key levels where WEMIX might face resistance. If we start pumping to higher prices, if we start dumping to Goblin Town, how low can we possibly go in the bear market? We'll also be looking at WEMIX performance against Bitcoin, WEMIX performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at WEMIX market cap. We even saw it drop to new all-time lows in the bear market. WEMIX currently has a market cap of $90 million. How low can the market cap go in 2023? If pumped to higher prices, can WEMIX market cap go back above $500 million? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
WEMIX is down bad in the bear market. In the last 1 month, it's down bad 57.2%. In the last 1 year, WEMIX has lost more than 94.9% of its value. But that's normal in the altcoin market. We have other altcoins that lost around 90% of their value in 2022. Filecoin went down 90%. Flow went down 90%. We saw Solana went down more than 94% in 2022. Phantom was down 92%. And that's the story in the altcoin market. Altcoins had a terrible year, but that's expected after the huge bull run we had. We saw WEMIX, for example, go from as low as $0.12 in June 2021, rallying up to an all-time high by November 2021 of $24.2, going up more than 19,000% in just 147 days. A $1,000 invested in WEMIX in June 2021 would have returned more than $119,000 by November 2021. All coins are very, very volatile that way. All coins can pump to the moon really, really quickly. But the downside to all coins is that they can dump to Goblin Town, erasing all the gains we made in the bull market, even setting new all-time lows. In the case of WEMIX, before we started pumping to the moon, we first saw it have a test pump where it went up over 10x. It went from as low as $0.14, pumping to as high as over $1.5. But everybody thought the pump was over. That was not all. WEMIX dumped to Goblin Town. We saw it lose more than 91% of its value. And this is why we like altcoins. This is why a lot of people like buying altcoins. After WEMIX dropped 91% from the all-time high we set earlier in 2021, WEMIX rallied back up to new all-time highs, erasing all the gains we made, even setting new all-time highs, going up more than 19,000%. Right now, we're in the bear market, and WEMIX is doing the opposite of what we did in the bull market, where we're pumping to the moon. In the bear market, WEMIX is dumping to Goblin Town. First, we saw the first stage of the dump where WEMIX went from $24.5, gradually going to as low as $1.2 in 365 days. But after it got to the $1.2 region for the second time in around 200 days, what happened to WEMIX shocked a lot of individuals. We saw WEMIX that was already down 94% from its all-time high go down an additional 90%, and all that happened in less than 40 days. And this is why you want to be careful with altcoins. Even though they can pump really well in the bull market, when they start dumping to Goblin Town in the bear market, it looks as if the dump is not going to be over. Now, WEMIX dropped to as low as the $0.13 level, erasing all the gains we made in the bull market. Even though we saw a sharp bounce off the lows, we saw WEMIX rally back up around 230%. I'll not be shocked to see WEMIX at some point in time in 2023 come back to test that $0.13 level. And guys, if we come back to this $0.13 level, we might even see WEMIX setting new all-time low, which will mean from the all-time high we set in November 2021, WEMIX will be down more than 99.5% from its all-time high. As I showed you guys earlier, we have seen WEMIX drop that low in the bear market. before the bull run started. I'll not be shocked to see it actually dropping that low to new all-time lows and actually pumping to higher prices maybe in 2024 and in 2025. But the highest I see us rallying to in 2023 is that if WEMIX pump to the $1.59 level, we might get rejected at that level. From where we're currently trading right now, WEMIX will have to rally up around 344% for us to get there, and that will mean from the bottom where WEMIX got to around the $0.13 region, if we get to the $1.5 region, WEMIX will be up more than 1,000%. A 10x% pump in the bear market, that's very, very possible, but let's not get carried away when that pump happens, calling for a new bull run. Yes, the market is down bad. Yes, altcoins have had a terrible time in the last 1 year. So I expect some altcoins to have some huge pumps to the upside in 2023. But guys, you don't want to get carried away when that pump happens. Long-term investors are investing deep in the bear market. That's what you want to be doing. You want to be investing when the market is down bad, when there's extreme pessimism in the market, when people believe we'll never pump to higher prices again. In the crypto market, we see bear markets happen all the time, and when we come to the bear market, a lot of people will start selling their altcoins for some Bitcoin. Some people will be selling their altcoins for some Ethereum, and that's why we see altcoins dumping really well in the bear market against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the case of WEMIX, in the bull market, we saw it pumping to the moon, outperforming Bitcoin by more than 8,800%. One Bitcoin invested in WEMIX in July 2021 would have returned more than 88 Bitcoins by November 2021. But what the market gives, the market takes, and bear market, WEMIX has been returning all the gains we made in the bull market. WEMIX is currently down 98% from the all-time high against Bitcoin. We may still see WEMIX dumping to gobbling town against Bitcoin in 2023. That's expected. That's what we usually see altcoins do in the bear market. So it wouldn't be surprising to see WEMIX continue dumping to gobbling town against Bitcoin. If you take a look at WEMIX performance against Ethereum, it's similar to its performance against Bitcoin. In the bull market, WEMIX outperformed Ethereum, pumping more than 7,200%. One Ethereum invested in WEMIX in July 2021 would have returned more than 73 Ethereums by November 2021. But altcoin market gives, the altcoin market takes, and WEMIX has been dumping really bad against Ethereum, losing more than 98% of its value. In 2023, we might catch some beat to the upside. We might see WEMIX pumping to higher prices both against Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I don't expect us to set new all-time highs. For us to reach this major resistance level against Ethereum for WEMIX, we have to see WEMIX outperform Ethereum by around 700% from the bottom. Will that happen in 2023? Let's take a look at some details about WEMIX. In the last 1 year, we have seen this altcoin go from as high as $9.59 to as low as $0.12. With the market cap of $90.2 million, WEMIX has a fully diluted market cap of $350 million. We have a circulating supply of 249 million coins and a total supply of 968 million coins. WEMIX is currently ranked 235 on CoinMarketCap, with over 46,000 people having WEMIX on their watch list. WEMIX Mainnet is an experience-based platform-driven and service-oriented mega ecosystem. The Mainnet is a highly performance EVM-compatible open-source protocol powered by SPoA, that's Stake Proof of Authority consensus mechanism. The Mainnet offers the highest security possible based on decentralized on-chain governance by 40 node council partners. Where can you get some WEMIX if you want to get some in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? If you believe this altcoin is going to rise again, you can get some on KuCoin, on Gate.io, on Wobi Global, on Bybit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at WEMIX market cap, we've seen the market cap drop to as low as the $33 million region in the bear market. WEMIX market cap went from as high as over $3 billion in November 2021, dropping to as low as $33 billion in the bear market, losing more than 98.89% of its value. We have seen WEMIX market cap rally back to the $90 million region, but I will not be shocked to see it come back to test this $33 million region at some point in time in 2023. If we rally up to higher prices, key levels to pay attention to, we may see WEMIX start facing heavy resistance on its market cap chart when we see it getting almost to that $400 to $500 million region on its market cap chart. For us to get there, WEMIX will have to rally up 446% to the moon. Do you think WEMIX will go that high in the bear market? Are you buying some right now, getting ready for the next bull run? Do you think the bottom is in? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.